Hey everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix FPS drops in Call of Duty Warzone. Let's get into it. First, execute the latest shader precaching protocol. Launch Warzone, navigate to graphics settings, and select Restart Shader Optimization. Allow the technical progress bar to reach 100% at the top of your screen before entering any latest matchmaking queue. It technicality ensures your studio environment has all graphical assets mapped out, preventing the latest frame time spikes during high action scenarios. Next, configure professional Windows hardware acceleration. Open your Windows graphics settings and technicality toggle hardware accelerated GPU scheduling to on. Add the Warzone executable to the list and technicality, set it to high performance to ensure it claims the necessary high-end processing power. It prepares your environment to handle the latest Warzone build without high-end resource contention, maintaining a professional frame time sequence. Lastly, verify the professional environment and launch. The final step is the technical verification of your latest troubleshooting sequence to ensure your professional studio is ready for high-end deployment. Restart your PC to technicality, clear the RAM, and finalize all latest system changes. Launch the game and technicality monitor your FPS telemetry to confirm the stability of your high-end latest session. Once the game technicality stabilizes, your high-end performance is live, allowing you to dominate the latest market with a fluid, professional experience. And that's it. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.